Thanks, chaps, for reminding me. Otherwise, I will have to sit and do it again. Okay, so see, that's how universe works and helps us also. Today's very important chapter, okay? Today's chapter is going to help us to be thankful, to the people. Why you're not able to see the screen now? Not able to see my screen, right?
We can see the album. We can see you also.
Yeah, but I'm not able to see the screen coming when I'm trying. I don't know what's gone wrong today. Thank you, universe. Thank you. One minute, I'll just stop share and then again I'll open the share and see if it's working. Oh, great, universe. Thank you. So, this your viewer. I think now everyone can see.
Yes.
You are able to see. Okay. So today's chapter is about there have been some times, like you might have not been thankful to the people, or there would have been times, यानी कोई ऐसा time आया होगा कि where you were like, sorry, really in a need of help, and someone just came like an angel and helped you. So today we are going to be grateful for those people, whom we have not remembered for a long time. And, there were times, it could be any time, when we'll go further, I'll be explaining it. At times, our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. See the sentence. At times, our own light goes out. Means there are times in the life where we are facing challenges, and we have really gone down, we have gone into a very negative situation, and it is, you have someone coming into your life that time and creating a spark for you. Okay, so someone comes and just gives you a shoulder, or someone just comes and gives you a hand, or just comes and say a two comfortable words to you where you really start feeling nice. So each one of has cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. Albert Schweitzer, 1875 to 1965, Nobel Prize winning medical missionary and philosopher. So he said कि there are times when we go into darkness. हमारी जिंदगी में ऐसा मौका आता है कि जब हमको कोई चीज सूझती नहीं होती है, एंड देन समवन कम्स और वो हमको हेल्प करते हैं. So we have to be thankful today to those people. Every one of us has received help, support, or guidance from other people at particular times in our life when we needed it most. Sometimes another person alters the course of our life through their encouragement, guidance, or just being there at right time. And then life goes on, and we tend to forget those times when one person touched us or changed our lives. See how important it is. In life, you might now today you have to go to your memory lane. एकदम past में जाना है, कि some person helped you. आपके बच्चे का एडमिशन नहीं हो रहा था, so some person helped you to get that admission to the school or college. आपका बिजनेस बहुत डाउन चल रहा था, एंड और यू वर रियली डाउन इन योर पर्सनल लाइफ, व्हेन समवन केम एंड रियली हेल्प यू. किसी ने दो शब्द ऐसे बोल दिए कि योर लाइफ चेंज्ड, और समवन हेल्प यू फाइनेंशियली. आपका बिजनेस डाउन चल रहा था और कोई आया और उसने बोला कि चल मैं तुझे पैसे लेंड करता हूं, आप यू स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस. So that way, today you have to remember who were such people, who have really touched your life or who helped you, to take the right course of life. You were very down, or they suggested, today कि go and do this course. आप अगर ये कोर्स करोगे तो आपको अच्छा लाइफ में अच्छा ग्रोथ मिलेगा। तो कोई ना कोई पर्सन ने आपको आके हेल्प किया है। अब बट हमने आज तक उस चीजों को भूल गए, शुक्रिया नहीं किया। आप अगर घर फाइंड कर रहे थे and you were someone came and helped you to find a good house, so that is, we have to be grateful for such people, or if you were going, you were having some disease, आपको कोई बीमारी हो गई थी, तो आपने, और बैकग्राउंड चल रहा था, सो कोई पर्सन ने आके आपको ये डॉक्टर सजेस्ट किया जिसकी वजह से आज आप अच्छे हो गए, बट वी फॉरगॉट दैट पर्सन टू से थैंक यू टू दैट पर्सन। So sometimes you don't even realize the impact a person had until well into the future when you look back on your life and realize that a particular person was pivotal in magically changing the direction of your life for the better. The person may have been a teacher or a coach, an uncle, aunt, sibling, a grandparent. आपके आपके दादा या दादी ने आपको कुछ ऐसा चीज सिखाई होगी जिससे आपको लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने की हिम्मत मिली होगी when you were down. So today be thankful for those people or any family member. They may have been a doctor, a nurse, or a best friend. They may have been the person who introduced to you to your current partner or to a particular interest that became one of your greatest passions. So किसी ने आपको आपकी शादी जिसके साथ हुई हुई है शायद उसको मिलाने में हेल्प किया होगा। Okay, there would have been a doctor or nurse because I remember very well, मेरी जब डिलीवरी हुई थी लास्ट मेरे बेटे के टाइम की, I didn't have nappies, and that nurse had really helped me, by making, with the bandage and, cotton the nappies for me. So that was the greatest thing, I remembered, and I wrote a thank you when I was doing this chapter. So they may have been the person who introduced you to your current partner or to a particular interest that became one of your greatest passion. Maybe they were someone you didn't even know and they appeared in your life very briefly, performing a random act of kindness. They touched you to the core. So अभी आपको वो ध्यान भी नहीं रहेगा कि वो बहुत छोटी सी ऐसी चीज करके आपके लाइफ में चले गए जिससे आज आपकी लाइफ बहुत अच्छी हो गई है, बट आपने अभी तक उनका शुक्रिया नहीं किया है। My grandmother gave me my love for books, cooking, and the countryside. By sharing her love for those things with me, all of them affected and changed the course of my life. So she's saying here कि उनकी grandmother ने उनको कैसे affect किया था, उन्होंने उनको cooking बताया था, उन्होंने उनको books से help किया था। Cooking became a passion of mine for over 20 years. My love of books eventually led me to becoming a writer, and my love of the countryside has influenced where I lived throughout my life. So the author Rhonda Bunch is talking about ki because her grandmother had put the thing of cooking in her and created a passion for her कि how loving it is, यानी कितना अच्छा होता है cooking करना. So that is why she started cooking, and then reading books led her to become a writer. And she's saying that now where I live, it's a countryside because I love that place. So my grandmother also disciplined me with a steel hand to say thank you. At that time, I thought she was just teaching me to be polite. It was only later in my life I realized that teaching me to say the magic words was the greatest gift my grandmother ever gave me. Okay, so she's telling about that how her grandmother taught her to be thankful, but later she realized that thank you was not just two words. Thank you का meaning बहुत बड़ा होता है, deep होता है. She is not alive anymore, but I continue to be grateful to her for the huge influence she had on the course of my life. Thank you, grandma. So today आपको क्या करना है कि अभी आपको एकदम जब सेशन होने के बाद आराम से बैठना है और ध्यान करना है कि which are the people who have really touched your life. Maybe even a small thing, for getting a job, for getting a course, for getting admission of your son, for helping out, something happened, some incident happened, or you were hospitalized and that person came and helped you financially, आपको help किया गया थोड़ा, या फिर उन्होंने आके सपोर्ट दिया, या आपके साथ साथ आके वो थोड़ी देर बैठे, so that is also a support. So today you're going to think about the magical people who have impacted your life Find a quiet place alone sometime during the day today. Okay, so you can do any time during the day. It's not necessary now only, but during the day you take some time, because you'll require time to sit and reflect. आपको पूरा मेमोरी लेन में जाना है पीछे एकदम. Sit down and think of three extraordinary people who have made a difference in your life. तो आपको थ्री लोग ऐसे चुनने, आपको बहुत सारे याद आएंगे, उसमें से आपको थ्री चुनने हैं जिन्होंने एकदम आपकी लाइफ में इम्पैक्ट किया उस टाइम पे. Once you have your three people, work with one person at a time and talk out loud to each person as though they were present, telling him or her the reasons why you are grateful to them and how they have affected the course of your life. So if you want, you can write it down, और if you want, you can वो बंदे का नाम, अभी आपके पास वो बंदों का फोटो नहीं होगा, तो आप वो बंदों का नाम लीजिए जिन्होंने आपको हेल्प किया. तो पहले आप एक बंदे का नाम लोगे, एंड आप उस बंदे का नाम लेके आप उसको रीजंस बताओगे कि मैं क्यों थैंकफुल हूँ कि आपने उस टाइम पे मेरे पास हॉस्पिटल में आके बैठे थे, आपने मेरे बच्चे की देखभाल की थी, या फिर आपने मुझे, मेरा बिजनेस डाउन हो रहा था तो आपने मुझे बिजनेस में पैसे दिए थे, आपने मुझे एक, किसी ने पैसे नहीं भी दिए हो, किसी ने आपको एक सजेशन या आइडिया दिया होगा. बी थैंकफुल फॉर दैट, कि जिसकी वजह से आप वो आज बिजनेस कर रहे हो एंड यू आर ग्रोइंग एंड फ्लॉरिशिंग इन दैट. सो बी थैंकफुल फॉर ऑल दैट. किसी ने आपको कोई चीज सिखाई हो, किसी ने आपको टेक्नोलॉजी सिखाई हो जिसकी वजह से आज आप इतना ग्रो कर पा रहे हो. सो यू हैव टू बी थैंकफुल फॉर दैट पर्सन बाय सेइंग लाउडली, ओके, बट you have to give the reasons why you are grateful to them and how they affected the course of your life. Make sure you do this magical practice with all three people in one session. एक ही बार बैठना है आपको, तो दिन में टाइम लीजिए जब आप फ्री हो या रात में, बिकॉज आप एक ही सेशन में आपको तीनों लोगों के साथ में करना है, बिकॉज इट विल टेक योर फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड टू फार डीपर लेवल. जब आप एक साथ बैठ के करते हो, तो जब हम बोलते हैं ना कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ग्रेटिट्यूड, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि फीलिंग डेवलप होती है. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इफ यू स्प्लिट अप दिस मैजिकल प्रैक्टिस थ्रू आउट द डे, you will not feel the same depth of gratitude nor receive the magical results. Here's an example of what you might say. Here she has given example also कि आप कैसे कर सकते हो. Now she's taken one person's name, Sarah. I want to thank you for the time that you encouraged me to follow my heart. I was lost and confused that day, and your words touched me and lifted me out of despair. Because of what you said, I found the courage to follow my dream, and I moved to France to work as an apprentice chef. I am living my dream, and I couldn't be happier. All because of what you said to me that day. Thank you, Sarah. See, so simple, in simple words, दिल से फीलिंग लाके आपको सिर्फ बोलना है आज प्रैक्टिस में. सो तीन लोगों को लेना है जिन्होंने आपको बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प किया है. आप तीन से ज्यादा भी ले सकते हो, बट अभी इनिशियली आपको तीन लोग जिन्होंने आपको बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प, यानी ऐसा हेल्प किया कि आज आप लाइफ में उनकी वजह से कुछ आपने पाया, या उनकी वजह से आपके बच्चे का एडमिशन हो गया, या उनकी वजह से आपका कोई बीमारी अच्छी हो गई, उन्होंने कोई डॉक्टर सजेस्ट कर दिया था. तो यू हैव टू बी थैंकफुल फॉर दैट. It is very important that you say the reasons why you are grateful, and you can't say too much. Instead, the more you say, the more you feel, the more amazing the results. You will see the magic people explode into your life from doing this practice. See this sentence, read this sentence again. ध्यान दीजिए ये sentence पे. You will see the magic explode into your life from doing this practice. It numbers among the most powerful acts of gratitude you can ever perform. So this is the very important thing, because क्या होगा, आपने अभी जो प्रैक्टिस आज करोगे कि आप थैंक यू बोल रहे हो वो लोगों को जिन्होंने आपको हेल्प किया, उसकी वजह से ये हो जाएगा कि आपकी जिंदगी में और ऐसे लोग आएंगे जो आपको हेल्प करेंगे. Okay, because you have created a energy, you are passing an energy of gratefulness. So if you are not in a position to talk out loud, then you can write down your words to each person. So अगर आप ऐसे घर में रहते हो जहां पे आप जोर से बात नहीं कर सकते हो, या आपके पास स्पेस नहीं है, तो आप उसको लिख भी सकते हो एंड एड्रेस देम एज इफ यू आर राइटिंग अ लेटर. जैसे आप लिख सकते हो, डियर सारा, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग इन माय लाइफ. Dear Sarah, thank you for guiding me that time when I was really feeling down. थैंक यू सारा। आपने मुझे इस तरीके से हेल्प किया कि मेरी जिंदगी बदल गई। आपके वो दो शब्द मेरे लिए काफी इंपॉर्टेंट थे, जिसकी वजह से मैं आज इस तरीके से अपनी जिंदगी जी पा रही हूँ या जी पा रहा हूँ। ओके, सो इफ यू आर नॉट इन अ पोजिशन टू टॉक आउट लाउड, देन यू कैन राइट डाउन योर वर्ड्स टू ईच पर्सन एंड एड्रेस देम एज दो यू आर राइटिंग अ लेटर। When you have completed this practice, you will feel a huge difference in the way you feel. The evidence of the gratitude's power working is always the first and the foremost, it makes you happy. The secondary evidence of gratitude's power is you attract wonderful things. So she is saying the first thing is that it makes you happy because you have been thankful to those people. Second thing is the secondary evidence of gratitude's power is that you attract wonderful things. फिर दूसरा ये होता है कि आप wonderful things attract करना शुरू कर देते हो because you have created that vibration of thankfulness. तो अभी आपकी जिंदगी में और ऐसे लोग आने शुरू हो जाते हैं जो who are ready to help you. And as if all of that wasn't enough, the happiness you feel after practicing gratitude also attracts more wonderful things, which will make you even more happier. तो आपके पास और अच्छी अच्छी चीजें आनी शुरू हो जाएंगी, अच्छे लोग आने शुरू हो जाएंगे जो आपकी अभी की करंट जर्नी में आपको हेल्प करेंगे कि चलो हम हैं तो आप हमारे साथ जुड़िए या ये करिए। तो दैट वे यू विल स्टार्ट अट्रैक्टिंग मोर गुड थिंग्स। दैट्स द मैजिक ऑफ लाइफ एंड दैट्स द मैजिकल पावर ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड। So this chapter is very small, but understand कि we'll finish reading this and then we can explain. Magical people who made a difference. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. At the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Find a quiet place alone sometime during the day and make a list of 3 people who made a difference in your life. Work through the list one person at a time, and while talking out loud, tell each person the reason why you are grateful for them and exactly how they affected the course of your life. And just before you sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing happened during the day. Tomorrow is a very important chapter. Don't miss tomorrow's chapter. Keep your pens and books ready. Tomorrow is make all your wishes come true. So tomorrow we have reached that chapter जहाँ पे हम ड्रीम्स कैसे लिखते हैं, हाउ आर वी आर गोइंग टू राइट टुमारो। वेरी फर्स्ट डे आपने ड्रीम्स लिखे थे, इफ यू रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई हैड स्टार्टेड आई हैड टोल्ड यू आपका इंटेंशन सेट करो ये बुक से क्या है। एंड देन व्हेन वी हैड कम टू द सेकेंड डे पार्ट 0 सेकेंड डे वी हैड रिटन अबाउट आवर ड्रीम्स इन ईच एरिया की हेल्थ में आपको क्या चाहिए, पैसे में आपको क्या चाहिए, करियर में आपको क्या चाहिए, रिलेशनशिप्स में आपको क्या चाहिए। सो वो लिस्ट आपकी रेडी रखना। अगर आपने अभी तक वो लिस्ट नहीं बनाई है तो प्लीज मेक इट राइट इट डाउन टुडे एंड कीप इट बिकॉज टुमारो वी विल बी वर्किंग ऑन दैट लिस्ट। So tomorrow
Okay.
we will be working on that list.
So
So
what
keep
all
ready.
things we need to make in that list? It's
Yes,
that what we need to write and keep in the list.
you don't have to write. See, I'm telling the people who have not written that day the dreams. If you have not written your dreams, when we had spoken about the dreams, जब dreams का आया था, हमने dreams की बात की थी, right? And but dreams लिखे नहीं गए थे. So if you have not written the dreams, yes, then you can add, more, write today also. If you have not written the dreams and you are still remembering more things, in your dream list, you can sit down today and go through your list also of dream. And if you feel you still want to write, और ये भूल गई मुझे ये भी dream चाहिए था. So you can
Acha.
write that dream also. You can add it in that list.
Okay.
Okay. So
Thank you.
then tomorrow is the day where we are going to work and understand the procedure, how we are going to work on our dreams. So till now you were practicing gratitude, collecting gratitude so that you can get more things. And now you have to write down your gratitude practices, sorry, dreams. So tomorrow is the chapter where we are going to do about dreams. So today's chapter is about something मैजिकल पीपल हु मेड अ डिफरेंस, यानी आपकी जिंदगी में आपको आज याद करना है हु वर द पीपल हु रियली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड यू। किसी ने आपको जॉब के लिए हेल्प किया होगा, किसी ने आपको गाइड किया होगा कि आप ये कोर्स करो, कि आप ये डिग्री लो, या किसी ने आपको हॉस्पिटल में आके हेल्प किया होगा। So there are people in our life, even if your grandparents have helped you, if your mother has helped you, if your father has helped you for something, which really changed your life. यू नो आपको रिकॉल करना है कि ऐसे कौन से बंदे थे जिन्होंने आपको बिजनेस में हेल्प किया, या फिर आपके जॉब, अगर आप जॉब करते तो आपके जॉब में हेल्प किया, उन्होंने ये बताया अरे तू ये कर, इससे तेरी लाइफ और अच्छी हो जाएगी. ओके, सो दे गाइडेड यू कि यस यू डू दिस कोर्स एंड यू विल चेंज योर लाइफ. So you have to remember those people today and do your practices of uh, giving gratitude to them. So today's practice, even if you don't want to write, it's okay. But orally, you have to make it a practice that you have said orally thank you by taking their names. Okay, so take their names because in your photo is not required, because हो सकता है कि कभी मैं कोई हॉस्पिटल में गई हो, कोई डॉक्टर ने मुझे हेल्प किया या नर्स ने मुझे हेल्प किया. I don't know her name now, right? But you have to remember, that nurse and just recall, and at least if you don't know her name, bring her picture or something in your mind, ki, okay, I'm thanking her, that the nurse who had really helped me in the hospital. So that way you have to remember those people and be very thankful for them. कि उन्होंने क्या क्या आपकी लाइफ में हेल्प किया. The more you will be grateful, the more, what do you say, the more you practice, they say, the more you practice gratitude for all the people, आपको उस चीज में ज्यादा एरियाज में आपको ज्यादा मैजिक्स दिखेंगे. यस, एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस कमिंग टू योर माइंड? बिकॉज ये सब आपके पास्ट के हो गए, राइट? इन द पास्ट whoever has helped you, so you are going to recall, the people who have helped you in your business, in your job, in your career, by for getting admission of your children to any school, to college, anything. It could be anything, so you have to be thankful for that. Or when you were very down, okay, I was emotionally very down, and that day someone just helped you by, speaking few words to you. So be thankful for that person. After that, you became emotionally strong. That is how you have to be thankful for the people.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
This is in today's session, we select three people. But I'm sure in our lives, there'll be many people who will keep coming into our minds as we think deeply.
Yeah.
So this session can be repeated, and like it can be a part of a ritual on a day, on a regular basis, I would say, right?
Yeah. See, today you take three people. You can write. What you can do is today, when you sit all alone, just write down. See, what I had done was the book I was writing now, on the side, there was a margin. So what I did in the margin, I just wrote down, because, when I'm speaking, that time your mind starts moving, what you need to do. So that time you have already started thinking now, if I'm talking to you. So what I had done was, the moment I was recalling, which were the people, I was writing in that margin column in that red line. I kept on adding the list, down, 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 like how many people have done what for me and all. My LIC agent, he had helped me to get my LIC policy the way, and he had described and helped me that today I'm getting benefits of it. So all these things, like my mutual fund, my investor, everything. So what I did was I wrote down all the names, my director, he had suggested me that you invest in this. So what I started doing, I wrote a list, and then I took only three for that day. Then the next day when I was free, I just took that book and I read the three names and I was being thankful. So you can do that also.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Anything else?
Even I did the same thing, Maria, when you were talking about no somebody has health or somebody bimar hua, doctor hua. So as you were speaking, I recollected and I just quickly wrote their names
Yeah,
at the
even I
side of
do
my
the
page.
same. Very nice. Even I do the
So,
same.
now for me,
Happens is-
again, I have to just think about that person's name and then maybe I'll be able to remember. I
Yeah,
did the same thing.
yeah.
I wrote all the names.
So even I did the same thing when I was doing the book, and when sir was saying, I just wrote it down, immediately. I just wrote everything down. And like all the names I was recalling. Though I was adding later on afterwards also, because when I was doing also, I was recalling. So then I wrote the names also. And then I was grateful, to all those persons. And I keep on every day also now, whenever you are sitting, just in your mind, it's not necessary, that you have to sit your pen with your pen and pencil and, write it down only. But even when you're sitting all alone, recalling, just be thankful, ki how was those days, and, today where you are. So be thankful, to the people who helped you, when I was also struggling with my life, I was having a downfall in my personal life. the people who came to help me, there were times, the people who helped my daughter's friends, her mother sent food for me. So like I said thank you for all these people, that because of them that I could eat the food. And then I was that strong after that. So all the things, remember all the smallest things, because you'll have many people in your life. We have never done that in the life. No one taught us only. See, our religious leaders teach us everything, but they don't teach us all these things, that where we are in this world, how grateful we have to be for the people who are helping us. If you just become only grateful, God is so happy with us, so happy with us. So gratitude is one thread, that you should catch and keep. You do your religious practice religiously every day. Don't forget about your religious practice also if you are into that. But gratitude's practice will take you more ahead. It's going to really take you more ahead, because here you're doing with feeling, you know. Maybe one of your religious ritual, you might do it, just because you're doing it daily. Just say agarbatti lagana. I'm doing it daily. So that is a daily habit, okay, or daily ritual which I do. But these things, I'm doing it from my heart. It is coming right from your heart. So imagine your heart is such an important thing in your body. Your brain and your heart are the very important organs of your body. So be grateful for your body every day. Be grateful. Even if you are not writing, even you're just sitting for 2 minutes, you finished your work and you went and you sat on the sofa, or you lied down on your bed. Just, in your mind, you have to be very thankful, saying thank you. You'll come into practice automatically. This will come, that you're saying thank you, oh my, thank you, my legs, you helped me to stand in the kitchen and finish my cooking. With ladies, it happens that for 2 hours, if you stand in the kitchen and you're cooking, after that you feel very tired. You just feel like going and lying down on the bed. So when you go and lie down on the bed, just be thankful for your legs, that they were able, your hands, they were able to stand and cook. So that time you're being grateful for all parts of your body also. So increase your gratitude by doing this, in your daily habit now. It should come right into your, you start teaching, you start going to your job, you are working in a hospital, anything, whatever you're doing. Just be thankful for that. Any other question coming to your mind? Anything to share? Anything to share? Or any other question coming to your mind?
No, everything is under control. It's a lovely day. It's
Okay.
Wednesday.
Okay. So for health, how are you all writing? Any one of you can just unmute yourself and say, how are you writing for your health? How are you writing for your health?
Can I speak?
Yeah.
Yeah. I write, I'm grateful that I'm having peace and good health.
And the
Okay.
reason? Reason?
Acha, I have to
I'm
write
grateful
reason
for
also.
what? I'm grateful for what? How are you getting peace?
Okay, I need to write that.
Yeah.
I didn't know
Like,
that. Okay.
how are you getting peace? Your heart is happy, your brain is happy, right? So
Okay.
then you get peace. So you have to be, I'm grateful for my heart, that I'm at peace. I'm
Okay.
grateful to my brain that it remembers so many things every day. I'm grateful to
Fine.
my heart that I'm able to take the tuitions. I'm grateful to my head. I'm sorry. I'm grateful to my brains, that it helps me remember so many things throughout the day, right from the
Okay.
morning to night. So this is how
Understood.
you have to be writing, you have to write for what you are and the reason, like for what
Okay,
you're
thank
being
you.
grateful. Okay.
Fine, understood.
So write about for your mental health, right? Include your mental health also. I am grateful for my brains, for giving me what she said just now, like for that I'm at peace. That is, I'm grateful to my brain that I'm cool and calm now. I'm grateful, and that I'm happy now. So write all these things, when you're writing about your mental state of mind also. So body also, you can do your internal organs and external organs both. So when you're being grateful for your health, don't forget your internal organs. Internal organs are also, because usually what we see, we are doing that. But external organs and internal organs. Both you can be thankful for, for your pancreas, for your liver, for your lungs, for your larynx, for your rib cage, which is protecting your internal organs. So that is also doing some job for you, right? So you can say, be grateful for that also. Anything else? But when you're doing your practices, please smile and do, don't take it as a task. If you're feeling as a task, then you are in your not right gratitude. So when you're doing gratitude, that happiness should come, you should look forward, that I want to write gratitude for something. That happiness should come from inside, that I'm happy. Okay. Anything else? The universe blesses me a lot. Today I have to go just now to school. Today I'm covering up 3 schools observations. So I have to go to Pimple, Nilak. Then I have to go from there. I have to go to Sangvi, and then I have to go to Fugewadi. So I was just thinking I'll try to finish the session fast. Today the session has already finished. It's 6:45 still. So the
That's how
chapter was
universe
also,
helps you.
yeah, see how the universe helps. See, the chapter was small today. So that is how universe helped me. So see, this alert you have to be, see how God is really, weaving that magic into your life. So when you become alert, then you really understand. Yes, God is really helping you. So anything else today? Any practices or anything?
That's it.
Okay, everyone has understood, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we can close the session, right?
Fine. All
Yes.
the best for
Thank
today.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
thank you everyone for joining in. So thanks everyone. God bless you with all your dreams and all that you require. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.